Yo.
Put my headphones in.
I just need to grab something to drink real quick, but yeah, grab a little tea real fast. Okay. Well, I wanted to make a habit tracker. I do use one of these daily, and I've used it for a while, and I wrote it a while ago. I'm not going to show it to you because it has some, private habit stuff on there, but anyway, I wrote it in Python, and it works, but it's not super functional. Or what I should say is it's not very flexible. It's fully functional, or else I wouldn't be able to use it. But it's not very flexible, and it can be cumbersome to use at points. So I thought maybe I should just try to make another one, and I will just try to write it and see how fast it can be, and also just see what it's like to do some manipulations and see that I haven't really done before. So that's what I don't know how far I'll get, but we'll see. Pop open the friggin' just go full screen. It's actually fine. I bet it's really hard to see this on the screen. It's just such small font, but I mean, I don't know what to do. Sorry about that. Here. Crap, where is it? I thought it was here. I'm invested. Oh, okay. forgot to start recording. Tracker. Hold on. So I've been thinking about this fairly for maybe a couple days, and it just really needs to. So the way mine works now is that it just runs every night, and so if you're continuing the habit that you want to continue, it'll just do so automatically. It'll increment so that it basically keeps track of the days, the amount of days that you have continued a particular habit. And so that's what this one is going to do. Now, maybe that'll change in the future, but we can't really worry about the future right now. We just have to make one. So it needs to capture a sort of habit that you want to, something you want to keep doing. And then it will you'll just, keep a daily log of how long you've been doing it. The more I talk about it, the more, I don't know if it's conventional, understanding of a habit tracker, but for me, this is just how I think about stuff. I say I want to do something, and then I just try to do it every single day or something, or don't do something every single day. And so that's how I understand my own progress with things. It's just this sort of streak mentality. So I think I'm going to use some structs for this. We'll get into that because we're just going to do it. Okay, so let's just make some basic stuff. Dare I put a license on here? That'd be kind of funny. Okay, so we could probably safely include standard IO. I already forget the other ones. Maybe we'll just get this up now. Okay, I gotta get too far ahead of myself. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, as they say. So what we need to do first is, let's do a void, let's just greet. Let's make a greeting. Actually, that's kind of avoiding what I want to do. So what I was thinking of for the habit is type def struct. Oh goodness, is this how it works? I don't remember the syntax. Habit, and then so could I say string? Dude, you can't say string in C. You could say character array. This is so off the dome. We're gonna see. So name, and then int for streak, best, or maybe cur streak for the current streak, int best streak, okay? Or maybe we can just say current and we can say best. Is that, I don't know. Does that even work? I'm not sure. I think it does. I think it does. Type def struct C. Type def struct C is we define a new data type in C that allows you to create structure. I think that works. Let's see. How to use type def for a struct in C? In C, we use type def to create aliases for already existing types for structure. New name that can use blah blah blah. For defining the structure and creating type def struct name, member definitions, type def name. just so I think I just put habit here again, which I don't get that. Gotta be honest with you. Okay, alias. Wait. Oh. Oh, well. I put CA. Oh, the name. It can be any sort of. I don't think there's a limit on the. There shouldn't be a limit on the name, I don't think. There shouldn't be a limit on the name. Type district student ST. What? Huh. Yeah. I think that works. Why wouldn't that work? You know what I'm saying? So it just should be best name, best current. Man, I think I have to give my thing. Okay, so it needs to have a hard limit on the amount. So maybe like 10 characters. You should be able to describe a habit in 10 characters or less. So I think we'll do 11 for the null terminator. So I think you can do that. So is that necessary? I'm not quite sure. What if I just try to do something down here? So what if I just say habit? Does that even make sense? I'm not sure if it does. It probably does. It also needs to have like probably a path. Oh shit, dude. I'm not sure. Let's do the macro. What's this? Hey, recording Jay, I just freaking wanted to do that. Right. Why is this? Dude, what? Good luck with this. Put string. Can you do that? Hold him on a minute here. A string in C is just a sequence of chars. Yes, we know this one. So far we're okay. So you can use char pointer. Okay. So blah blah blah. They need to allocate memory for the structure itself. Allocate memory for the pointers themselves. Okay. Patient P. Hold the phone real quick. Let's try this. Let's try what this guy's saying. So we have a habit, and this is a pointer. So yeah, we'll just say pointer. It's a what? A pointer to a char? Fair enough. I thought it would need to be like an array, I guess. Luckily, that's just all we're working with. So, Lord have mercy! So then you just do there. Okay, so habit test. So it's a pointer. Yeah, so habit test equals malloc. Oh, wait, do I need to put it? I'm not sure it's part of a library or something. Whatever. Malloc size of the habit. Okay, that makes sense. That's okay. Now, will that go? Holy crap. Oh. What do you mean, mother effer? Implicit declaration. Oh, damn it. Where is Malik? Okay, there it is. We need the standard lib. Standard lib age. Don't worry, I put it in there. Watch this. Now I'm about to do this. Okay, here we go. Malik size of. Okay, so we have a pointer. All the time. I still don't really get the pointers very much, to be completely honest. It's just pointing to a habit. You need to allocate memory for the structure itself and for each of the strings. Okay, this is scalar. Must allocate memory for contents of pointers. Here. Now this syntax here, I've seen this before. So for example, we have the habit test, and that is a pointer. Test is a pointer to a habit. Fair enough. Now test, we know habit has these members. Name, best, current. We know this. So in order to access these, I think we can use this syntax here, like test arrow name, or just for simplicity's sake, test arrow best equals 1. That should work, right? Oops. That works. We're accessing that. But here's saying here, must allocate memory for contents of must allocate memory for stirred up. Penny Malik string. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna free all this shit? It's just showing different ones. What is that? What is stirred up? You know what I'm saying? I think we need to consult the. What is man stirred up? Oh. Duplicate a string. Standard C library. Man, I feel like my computer is like far away. I don't know, I'm just like really leaning up. I'm tired of doing that. I'm tired of leaning up always. So if you're tired of leaning up, you can just bring the freaking computer really close. That's how you know you're in the zone. You just bring the computer close. No, this is a lot better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is so much closer. Okay, so P name to string dupe. That's what it is. String dupe name. Let me try it. So test. Let me try test name is. Oh my gosh, these monitors are really going crazy. String dep. Man, I'm really giving away my Python usage by always using single quotes on strings. Move my second monitor closer to being full macro juice mode. Oh gosh, is this monitor running out of extension cord? Oh goodness. Maybe I could. You should see this. This looks so silly right now. Okay. Does that compile? No! Wait, whoa. DF. Holy crap, what is this? Okay. Implicit declaration. Oh, probably, I bet, you know what I bet? I bet it's string.h. Who wants to make a wager? Include string.h. Okay, I would have won the wager. We should have bet, because I would have won. Man, yeah, my second monitor is just really letting it loose. Alright. dude. I mean, that's interesting to think about. But first, we need to make sure that this works. That's the first order of business, is just to have something work. Okay, so, what do we return? Can I return that? No. Okay, I'm just gonna freeball this. Habit pointer is what you're gonna return. No way, I don't like this anymore. So create. So, oops. Well, luckily, upon habit creation, really the only thing we'll need is the name. So the name will be like this. Okay, habit, create habit. So we will habit h is equal to malloc. We need to assign memory, size of the habit. Okay, and then we can say h dot name is name, and then we can initialize best to 0. This is initialization. H dot current equals 0. Yeah, this is just like initialization. I guess it is a pointer. Yeah. Hey, you wanna know what though? Line 20 didn't give us any grief, so like I wonder if that means it will work. Forgot like the syntax because it is a pointer. It's a pointer. Oh crap. That's an interesting idea, to be honest with you. I think it may have worked. I think we may have formally created a way of making a habit. This is quite interesting for me. Okay, so let's make a let's see, void. We just need like a green too. This is literally just what they'll see when they.
Dude, what if I made it do like crazy stuff? I just had sparks of ideas, but
I just want this to work first, actually. Before I even do this, I'm not even going to do this right now until I know that this for sure works. Okay, so int main, so make new habit. Let's say we got some input. Oh, we have input. I want to make a new habit called gym. There we go. So make new habit. Create habit gym. Wait a minute. This isn't gonna work because this is just an array of. I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. We'll see. This might be okay. This is iterative, right? So it's okay. So create habit gym. Oh wait, I guess I need to. I need to assign this. So habit freak. It's just a pointer or whatever. Habit text. Is that gonna work? What do you mean? Oh, I forgot I have to. I do not like that in C, to be frank. I do not like the declarations. I just do not like those. I think they look ugly. It's the same. It's literally just this. To me, it seems like a waste of space, but I guess, you know, the compiler just seems like a waste. Okay, is that okay with you? Nope, it's not. Unknown type habit. Why is that unknown, dude? I have it right here, dummy. What's going on? Right here? Is that something to do with that? No? What do you got? Unknown type habit. Did that? Oh, is the pointer not? Is the star not necessary? Maybe the pointer's not necessary. No? Here, I saved it. Oh, I'm dumb. It's up here. So it says unknown. Boy, oh boy. I don't think the compiler's telling me anything very interesting here. What's going on with this thing? Wait, did it do it then? Did work. Yeah, it worked. So it worked, okay? Well, this is a big of a deal right now. Now I'll do like a generic little grading. I think you can indent. There's like a key. I thought there was like some sort of sequence to like mimic that. Yeah, pad, whatever. If you want hello to print in a column that's 40 characters wide, with spaces padding the left. Oh, my mic. Spaces padding the left. Is that really gonna work? So by the way, that's working. That's good. And that works. Does that really work though? This thing, like what is it, like percent, like amount and then spaces? Okay. What does that mean? 40S. Is this just a number determined? You know, that thing is pissing me off. It does. You know, I think 40 is actually pretty good. What if I centered it? Is that even a proper question? Because like terminal windows will be different. I don't know. It might be a silly question. Calculate, yeah. You have to calculate the number. I don't know. What was that? Total width of the console. That's genuinely not worth it, by the way. So just like wait, ship. I think that looks pretty good. How is that a 1 there? Okay, so for our grading, we can just... Yeah, we could just say like... Now I'm getting stupid with it. I'm getting a greeting before... You get the system time using time function time. I want it to say good morning or good afternoon or good evening, depending on what time it is, before it's even like fully functional. It's really kind of funny, but I mean, you know, whatever. I think it's cool. Okay, so you can get the system time using the time function from the time age, which returns the current calendar time as seconds since the Unix epoch. Lord have mercy. That is not what I want, though. I want to get the current time in my system. Some random time. What? Man, get over yourselves, guys. This is like so ridiculous. Like for real. Does it have to be this hard? Like, what's up with this since the epoch thing? Like, is that how you had to do this? Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of break. I'll be back in I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. Alright, I was just thinking about it, and I'm gonna pass up on this greeting function for now. I mean, I thought it would be very simple, but I needed to humble myself for a second and really appreciate how much different Python is. Python, this would be so easy. It's crazy. Change up the music. I'm gonna change up the music too. Well, that's some pretty crazy music. Okay, so. Tip of the freaking iceberg, to be honest. I need to. Circle is weird. That was very weird. How do I forget how to add to a game? I think it's just this, right? I could literally just put the file in there. List the files, okay. Yeah, okay. See what happens. Oh yeah, what if I use this? Yeah, erase this thing. How do I erase this thing? Dude, I want to delete that random freaking file. It doesn't even make sense. How do I quit? I just installed this thing. And like yesterday, how am I gonna use it? It's so funny. You're just fumbling around, I swear. It's really kind of funny. Okay. So what happens when you run it? Nothing. Hello. That's not very functional, is it? So I should just say like hello. Can I just put a string here? That would be like interesting if I could. I'll just say. This is pretty cool music. Oh yeah. I gotta. Holy crap! Forgot to put the new lines. Actually, I'm kind of silly. I need to record a new one. Okay, so I can say right and then GCC main. Let's see. That'll do that. Sure. Okay, we're done there. And then K can just be out. Okay. Looks weird a bit. I wonder if it looks like that in the. Oh my gosh, I don't know. It does.
That does look like that.
Why? It doesn't work. That definitely does not work, does it?
Ooh, no multi-line? Really?
Really? Come on, guys. Give me a little bit of a break here. Give me a little bit of a break on this. Okay, fair enough. Well, what if, okay, so if I'm gonna do all that business over there, why couldn't I just do like this string and then like this one? Like maybe this one. Why couldn't I just do this if the other one was fine too? Scratch. Alright. Alright. This is interesting. I feel like what's going on with my emotions here? How do I clear them? happened? What the freak? Oh, I've been going Vim motion crazy around here. That's so weird. Like, am I losing my mind? I don't think I am. Something happened. Okay. Let's get rid of time. It's actually never there. Now I can also make this. I haven't put this on the GitHub yet. Go ahead and make this private for now. I need to. I always forget the command to put this onto the internet. Alright, so we're just going to get input. I mean, we're gonna get a is that literally it? Scan F? No. Too few arguments, so I have to say standard in? Or something? What if I do have to say that? No. What? This is not scan F, what was it? Yeah! Format says right here. Yeah, I did. Look at me, I'm like...
Oh.
Interesting. Why does it have to be like that? Whatever. I mean, it's okay. We do want an integer. We just literally call the function and we say like integer, and then we point it to input. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute.
It just exits anyway.
What if I do it here? Okay. What if it's not though? Like that was not a. I don't really think it cared. It just exited. What happens if? Oh, this might be a trap. Because. Why didn't I compile it? Kaggle, what the heck?
What is this? This is scary. I feel like.
What is that? Why would that cause them? Yeah, is there? Can I get like just a code on that or something? I just want to read what it actually means. I feel like it has something to do with this, maybe. Something. Because it wasn't doing that earlier. Something to do with this. Watch this work. like I needed to point to it. Okay. I just noticed in this it was set address of ARGS. And I wasn't giving it the address, I was giving it. Which is, sometimes that confuses me. Okay, I gave it the address. So what if what if I now try that? Oh, fun, actually. Oh, because that's just... I've encountered this last time. I encountered this with my reaction timer. This doesn't work because in input, the scanf is going to return a 1, meaning it's successful. So that'll go into the input, I guess. Apparently after this would execute, this would return this. Yeah, think about that. This will, I'm saying, int input equals scanf, get the int from scanf, put it at the address of here, but then after that, scanf is returning a 1 for success. Therefore, it's going to finally rest with a value 1. But if I do int input and then just like pretty much how I had it last time, then it should be fine. Oh, this music is too loud. I don't know. I feel like the music's probably pretty loud. Whatever though. This should be fine. Oh goodness, I guess that's too big. Yeah, you can't get it too big. I could probably turn this into a little function real quick. Holy crap! I just sent you a text.
Yeah, I'll be right back actually. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah. Maybe it's not necessary. Is this or? I think I'm gonna do like concisive. Just return something. Does that work? I'm not sure if that's gonna work. I'm gonna find out. I don't think so. I keep getting texts, alright. This is just, interesting ways of finding out how C works. Like, I don't think this is gonna work. To be honest. And if I were to say why, I can't really explain why. I think it has something to do with pointers and allocating, and I think there's just a lot of nuance here. Let's try. Expected, oh yeah, because again, not Python. That's fair enough. I'm okay with that. Why? That kind of sucks about Native. I don't know if that's me thing. Okay. Wait, did it work? Wait a minute. We need to test. We didn't even work. -1. Oh, okay. Of course, it needs to be. It worked. Huh. It worked. So I cooked her. I cooked. Huh. Semicolons, the end of those things. Yeah. Guys, I got the input. Now I just need to run some stuff. What did it make? Oh, so create habit, I guess, is one. So, like, is it case switch and see what is case switch and see? Switch statement. How is switch different from if? Like, really, how is it actually different? Is it even? Hmm. No. It's not true. It's bull. Look at me. I'm trying to do it again without this. If input is greater than 0, which means it didn't return, you know, whatever, and then it really has two options, right? It really just has two options. Man, phone's popping off. switch, yeah. Do you have to put the brake in there? I think it does. I think it does go through every single one. I'm trying to duplicate. See what happens. Is there a friggin'
I forget, I just saw this.
Is there like an else? I think there was like a default. Yeah, default. Default. Okay, so duplicate. Okay. It caught it. Okay. I guess I can just return 0, actually. Wait, no? Okay. Yeah, because if the main function returns something, then I'll just return that. Okay. You know, it's weird not to have to put the semis on there, to be honest. It's just the way it is. My goodness. Lord have mercy. Hey, back. Gotta make a quick phone call. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here for today. I'll return to this and figure out how I'm gonna store the data and all this stuff. Maybe tomorrow. Create things and store it and have it run smoothly. I think I could have it run smoothly by tomorrow, so at least be